Now we are going to see little about material library. This material library, whatever the default spindle speed and feed rate is coming, is from the material library. We'll see the how the material creating material library. It's little bigger job that we are not going to study. But we'll see that how to utilize the library, how to modify the parameters there. A minimum we'll see that. Okay. Uh, so here we will take one small example. Okay. So if we just switch off the level. So in this we are going to see about the material. Okay. Uh, so when you click on the stock setup, next page is the you can see at the bottom it's a material library. Okay. Uh, so the feed calculation how you want from material or from tool. So from where the feed rates has to be come from. So one is the you can read the get the feed speed from the tool library, or based on the material you want to have the uh, feed rates. So from where it has to read, either from the tool library or from the material library. Okay. So here we are selected from library. There is one more option called adjust the feed rate on arc moves. When there is a R and either G03 or G03, and automatically feed rate less reduces and it cuts. So when there is a sharp turn or radius, automatically feed rate reduces and do the things. So now we here is the material library. So if you click there, and you can see that you can modify here what is standard material, for that what is the cutting speed and what is the feed per tooth, both are given here. And then you can go your library also, so you can select the current library. So all the material list is a default which is available, it is present here. Suppose some aluminum with a different combination material you have got it, then you can edit it. What is the new material cutting speed, that you can give it here, and feed per tooth also you can give it here. Accept. Okay, I said okay. Now you can see here in the tool. So I can right click and reinitialize. You can see that feed rate and the spindle speed are updated. So some little variation will be there from what are you given. I think it's calculating thing, or otherwise it may be hanged. I don't know. uh, you can modify the material definition little amount. So where the material is actually exist, if you want to see, if you go to C drive, user, public documents, and in that you can see Mastercam 2021. Here is the material folder. So here the material library is available. Okay, I just copy this and rename, open with WordPad. You can open this library. This is the method how you can make the material library. So whatever they have made it, it is made it here. So it's a big task to making these libraries. So like this material database you can make it, and this will be read through the material library. Okay. So all the default values are come from the material library. So here you are given 160. So the same thing is coming in the feed rate and standards. But you can check it. Okay, you can check it. So whatever the default values you are getting, it is from the material library. There are two possibilities as I told you. It is from the material or from the tool. So from here you can change it to from material. So like this you can switch over from here. So based on that your feed rate and spindle speed will come. So in mill library there are many materials are there, and you can make your own material also, but it is a big task, and you can create library, but that may not come under our current okay current thinking. So now you can say select material mill library. Some other material also you can take. Okay, now we'll take steel. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can edit. So now how the base feed rate has to be used in terms of percentage. So you can see that for surface machining how much has to be used. These all are there in the tool library. This is all about the metal library. So now I modified for the steel. So now I can say reinitialize and see that feed rate and spindle speeds are modified. Reinitialize. So if you right click and go to the feed calculator, that will also go to the same page only. You can see here now. So both are 30 and 0.19. So if from here you can update also. Again it goes to the metal library, editing the metal library only. Okay, sorry. You can say after modification you can save it to the current library. So like this you can modify and use the tool library, sorry, material library. So now from this we understand how modify to material library and how minimum changes you can do it and use it for your requirement. So mostly people used to do with the tools only, but some people wanted to do the feeds through material also they can do. Thank you.